What's going on? I just shot a video of an update on some of my tanks. Then I thought about something. I was like, I've done this before. So I think I'm gonna start actually doing this. I got a lot of GoPro cameras because I do a lot of fishing, a lot of filming. So what I want to do for y'all is try to give y'all some of the best content. Got a piece of fuzz or something on my camera. Trying to give you guys some of the best content that I could give you guys. Like, I don't mind going the extra mile. I don't mind doing things to help out the community. Because my ultimate goal is to keep the hobby strong, love the hobby, keep some of these cichlids around that are endangered, this stuff like that. So I like to go about things a certain way, and one of the ways I like to do things is give you guys the best content that I can give you. So I'm gonna try to get some underwater footage of some of these fish in these ponds. Hey, this for the heck of it, man. Let's see how it turns out. Hope you guys like it. I really do. So here we go. We're going deep diving for some of these Trimax. Let's go. All right, let's see what the umbi's doing. Hope we got some footage of the umbis. I'm not quite sure. Let's go see what the Ornata's doing. All right, y'all. Hope we got some good footage. There's no way for me to check out what we have until I look at the videos. So we're gonna do that and then see if we got some good content and I'll upload it for y'all. Peace.